Hey, it's Brian K. Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals for our daily gold and silver update. I'm just kind of checking out the Windjammer camera here online, their live camera if you get a chance. It's really one of the great cameras that shows our beaches here in Lauderdale by the Sea. So if you live locally, it's a great way to look and see how busy the beach is if you're going to go down or what kind of weather we have. A little lightning storm out there. I've been watching this for a little while. Beautiful light show that we're getting. And besides that, let's take a look at markets. Well, guess what? Interest. Oh, I saw this, by the way. We struck gold. This is actually one of my favorite YouTube videos to watch because I am a fisherman. It's Florida Sport Fishing. And I thought this was kind of coincidental. We struck gold. I kind of was just flipping through the video. And actually, those are golden tilefish. It's the name. You see that beautiful gold color on them? In person, they're even more vibrant and more beautiful, but very delicious fish. You catch them at about 1,000 feet of depth, or maybe not quite 1,000. And actually, I think they're 500 to 700 feet in depth that you catch these things at. And there's a great example of one right there by Captain Mike at Florida Sport Fishing. A great YouTube video, or a great YouTube guy if you like fishing. Let's take a look at what happened today, actually. People were wondering, well, why was gold and silver down? And I actually predicted gold to be up a little bit today. And the coin was absolutely correct. The coin said that the market was going to be down. So, and it was right. It doesn't say how much, but it was down today. And again, I don't panic when I see these down prices. I like these pauses and pullbacks. They're really good and healthy for the market. So why the pause and pullback? Well, I like Zero Hedge because they do some good articles, and again, they cover stuff that Wall Street Journal doesn't, which is gold and silver. The Wall Street Journal covers nothing about that, nor does CNBC, other than to mention it once in a while, or have some idiot on their channel that knows nothing about it. Stocks, bonds, and bullion tumble as the U.S. dollar jumps. And I'd have to concur with this statement here. That's exactly what happened. We did have a jump in the U.S. dollar, and that did knock a lot of these prices down on bullion, stocks, and bonds. But hey, listen, that's only temporary. I provide you a good opportunity to buy again. I think we were almost $2,000 silver. We almost saw a $50 down day again on silver, and I mean gold, and silver making like $1 range. But again, don't get nervous. This is great. This is good. You just don't want to see markets charging up all the time like we saw Wall Street markets do here for a while. And they have a lot more money than we do, and a lot more free money pumped into their system. Let's take a look at prices here. Let me go over here. There's our prices right there. New York, let's take a look at New York prices first. New York closed at 1958, and if you remember, it was almost that 2,000 mark on yesterday. So that's down about 40 bucks on gold. And silver on New York, 27.31, down about 73 cents from the yesterday's close as well. Not as bad. A little more clobbered on the world spot prices. But I was mentioning yesterday that there's a trend we've been seeing that when the world spot prices here, I've been watching for a little while now, when the world spot prices were closing higher, it usually meant New York was going to close a little bit higher. And that was my guess yesterday. But however, if you've been watching me for any length of time, you know that I say that these trends work until they don't. So that's exactly what happened yesterday. As I did notice that the world markets were a little higher, and I suspected, New York will open a little bit higher. But nope, kind of got whacked today. But again, reasons for like this. The U.S. dollar jumps, and that's all of a sudden takes my little pattern that I recognize and throws it right out the window. But no big deal. Again, we're in a bull market. This market will continue to climb. Let's take a look at silver in the world markets. $1 range there, which is not really big considering silver can make, we've seen $3 ranges on silver, so silver can make huge moves. But again, we're in a bull market. Don't worry about it. As I've been saying, we've already been $50 silver twice in our history since 1980. We've been at gold. 1980 was $900. In 2012, I think the high was 19 and change. We've already broken the highs in gold. We're not even halfway, or we're almost halfway to the high in silver, or a little bit over halfway high to the silver. And platinum, I just think is the laggard here. I think platinum should be 1,800 bucks an ounce. Palladium not doing much. My assessment on palladium, it's just going to wait for gold to surpass it. I'm really surprised platinum has, again, not moved up dramatically. So we'll see what happens here. Oh, hey, take a look at our Facebook page. I posted some things up here. We're posting some product shots in here. A nice little shot of the American flag. This is the video we did yesterday. We also post on Facebook some of our videos. And a nice little cartoon that was kind of cool we covered as well yesterday. But anyway, check out our Facebook page, Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals. We are on Facebook. Well, this is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals. Oh, crap! I forgot about our coin toss. Ready? I'm going to do our coin toss right now. Let's see if it's heads or tails. My prediction on the market, you know what? I've had a long day. I'm going to skip my prediction. Well, it looks like the coin has spoken. Let's see what happens tomorrow. This is Brian Kuzmar from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metal. Call us anytime for product prices and gold prices at 954-493-8811. We're open 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Mondays through Fridays. If you want to ask us questions and get more educated, check out our other YouTube videos. What we don't explain there, come on in the store. We'll explain it to you. Again, thanks for watching, and let's see if the coin is right tomorrow. Have a great night. And this is where'd that come from? And of course, it's not going to load on me. The spinning Facebook page circle. Oh, there it is.